Good morning, sir.
We'll start in 2 minutes.
Good morning.
आज कितने बजे एग्जाम है?
3 बजे.
3 बजे एग्जाम है. ओके, नो इश्यू. आपको सिर्फ एमसीक्यू ही है, so you can write it down. It's important. So just today, out of the box topic I have taken has been your expert system. If you want to rationalize it, what do you mean by expert system? Can anyone tell what do you mean by expert system?
Sir, can you start recording?
Just a second, I will tell because I am on iPad. Okay, now it's been started. What do you mean by expert system? Anyone? Just define the expert system you people are knowing about. Then automatically you can correlate it. But if you want to define, if somebody is telling what do you mean by expert system, then you should knowing about it. Anyone from you?
It is machine equivalent of a human expert.
Machine equivalent of human expert. Can you elaborate the statement? Machine equivalent of
Yeah, so just like a human expert has a lot of experience and knowledge about the field, much the same way the machine is given the same amount of data or fairly higher amount of data on which it applies a lot of logic and thereby understanding gets a depth understanding of the field. Thereby you can make expert decisions, which again
okay.
might be true, might be false because again it's data of the previous things and the environments might change.
Can you give example of any application where you had seen that human expertise and equivalent machine expertise? ऐसा कोई हमारे पास सिस्टम है या ऐसा एग्जांपल है दिमाग में जिसकी हम एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम बना सकते हैं and which might be going to helpful in the human betterment or society's betterment? Can anyone tell about it?
मतलब नॉट
Think about
ह्यूमन बेटर और सोसाइटी बेटरमेंट, बट जो आजकल के कैमरास होते हैं यू कैन से सो एक हद तक वो भी दे बिहेव लाइक वन. लाइक वो तुम्हें ऑटो सजेशन दे सकते हैं कि थोड़ा सा आपका फोन स्टेडी पकड़ो ये वो, या फिर मतलब यहाँ पर ये मोड में आप अगर एडिटिंग करोगे या फिर ये एडिट थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा ये वो.
okay. Anyone else? कोई एप्लीकेशन है आपके पास जो if we prepare or if we made expert system of that application that can be useful for society, human being and everyone? This general topic, honestly, this has been advanced topic given in your curriculum that we need to discuss about the expert system. And though we are learning artificial intelligence, So we need to understand what do we mean by expert system, why we need to create that things, what is the need of the expert system. This all questions should come to your mind when you are performing some amount of work in artificial intelligence. Okay, what is the need of expert system? Without expert system also we can do all the things. No. What is the need of expert system? Is there any need of expert system, or just if the topic is given, that's why we are learning this topic?
सर एक और एग्जांपल था लाइक एक सॉफ्टवेयर है which behaves a human equivalent of an expert of like marketing field.
Okay.
तो लिंक डाल दो चैट बॉक्स में, मतलब अगेन इट्स द लिंक टू द कंपनीज वेबसाइट.
ओके, इफ यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट्स वेरी नाइस, क्योंकि मैं तो नहीं देख सकता, स्टूडेंट देख सकते हैं, तो लिंक डाल सकते. जो सबसे पहली चीज, इफ यू वांट टू understand the word expert, whatever the person had told, this thing has been absolutely correct. Machine should be equivalent to human expert, and if you are learning artificial intelligence nowadays, machine has been overcoming the human expertise also. Please understand this thing, right? But need of the expert system is the very important thing. If we talk about Indian scenario of healthcare system, this is my scenario, right? If I say how many doctors we are having, we are having in India, assume that this is very much important thing. And if the standard guidelines by the health ministry, how much we required patient to doctor ratio, this is very important thing. Whereas it is prescribed how many teachers should be there in the institution, means student to teacher ratio, every time the people are going to monitor. हर 20 स्टूडेंट के लिए एक टीचर हमारे पास होना चाहिए. In same cases, the health ministry had given the guidelines how many doctors we required for the number of patients. It should be ideally for every 30 patients we require one doctor. हमारे पास इतने डॉक्टर होंगे? Yes, no. ये तो अप्रोक्सीमेशन है. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. तो ये रेशियो इंडिया के लिए क्या होगा? I taken this example because one of my PhD students had to work on it. Basically, we had to prepare the complete trend line, what exactly the need of expert system. So that's why I'm sharing same example with you guys. कोविड था इसलिए हमने ये नहीं बनाया था, हमने प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट बहुत पहले किया था. 2017 we started it. After that the COVID came and we can understand what the need of the doctor and all the medical workers. But exactly ये इंडिया के लिए कितना है वो कभी सोच सकते हो?
1000 से 10,000 के बीच में होगा.
Absolutely correct. It's been in 4-digit number. Means for every approx 5,500 patient, we're having one doctor. And now this is the motivation for you guys to build the expert system. रीजन पता चला हमको बनानी क्यों चाहिए. अब नीड तो है हमारे पास. We cannot produce this much amount of doctor every year, honestly, and the number of patient count definitely going to increase day by day because our population is going to increase day by day. This is just Indian scenario, but if you go to any developing country, then also scenario is worst. Please understand this thing. This is your primary motivation why you should build the expert system. The reason we need to find it out why we need to build. Then the secondary question is, can we form this thing? That the first opinion is that why we need to do this thing. This is the first answer to your why. अब हमको ऐसी मेडिकल सिस्टम बनानी है और we need to have some assistant to the patient at the rural area or urban area or any places where your medical doctor or physical person has been not available for the checkup, and now you need to give the services to that patient where it can find the remedies at home or nearby pharmacies. So what do you mean by now expert system? Expert system is the complete solution for your replacing your doctor. Please think about it. You are completely replacing your doctor in place of physical doctor. You are replacing by the expert system. Can do that thing? Yes, no. Or expert system or any system which having the intelligence which can be supported by the human, and we need to facilitate that human. That's why we are creating such system. हम एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम बनाते क्यों है, अब उसका रीजन मेरे को चाहिए. हमको ह्यूमन को कंप्लीटली रिप्लेस करना है या ह्यूमन को फैसिलिटेट करना है.
In this case, it would be facilitation.
In any case, it's been facilitation. We cannot completely remove the human intervention. If we making automated system, then also we are having some intervention. This is the primary motivation why we think about that we are doing automation of the system. Lekin, this is the prime scenario right now. COVID is going on. The government is preparing for third wave. They increasing the infrastructure of medical. Everything you required. You are not going to replace physical bed with your expert system. Please understand this thing. Because you don't have a patient to doctor ratio, because of that you are preparing the such system where preliminary investigation done by the whatever the reports or whatever you are having symptoms you are entering in the system, and based on that is giving you certain advice. If it has been up to the moderate level, it can prescribe you some basic medicine, and after that it can suggest you please go and take expert advice of this thing. So please understand it. In any cases, your complete human intervention cannot be eliminated. So if somebody is talking about expert system, if we think about it, if you want to replace your classroom teacher with the computer, can you do that thing? This is very good question. Right now I'm teaching you and you want to completely replace me by some system you are building and where somebody is taking lectures from remotely. Can you do that thing?
No, sir.
Why do we can do that thing? Nowadays,
sir,
online courses are there and numbers of things are there. But all the people can do all the things whatever your human or physical person is doing at your college. Means evaluation of your marks, question paper, checking of your answer sheet, taking care about your attendance. Can this all things can be eliminated? If I'm creating the system that can be helped to useful to take the lectures or some, if I get the collaboration with IIT professor or foreign universities professor, they can take the lectures of artificial intelligence or any subject. But can they people are doing such other works that your faculty members are doing? Possibly your answer is no. Every work cannot do from the remote places. You require some amount of bridge between your remote places and your physical stuff. So please understand that what do you mean by expert system? Second thing, what is the need of expert system we had? And every time if you think about that, we can replace it out. can you add any application where we can replace it out our complete human intervention? कोई ऐसी एप्लीकेशन है हमारे पास जहां से हम कंप्लीटली ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन निकाल सकते हैं?
Sir, ticket booking at railway station or airport.
टिकट बुकिंग, आज तक मैंने हर एक रेलवे स्टेशन पे फिजिकल बंदा देखा है, आज तक उन्होंने
Sir,
नहीं निकाला.
can it be a manufacturing facility of any type of thing?
That you are talking about a manufacturing plant where you can make that a complete plan as an automated plan, right? जैसे कि अमूल का फैक्ट्री है जिसमें मिल्क पैकेटिंग होता है, वो completely automated है. Still people require at that company. देखा है? सबने विजिट
सर
किया होगा.
F-35 में हो जाता
क्या?
है F-35 फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट, वो उसमें हो जाता है.
Completely.
फाइटर पायलट है, उसको खाली फाइटर पायलट को खाली उड़ाना होता है, बाकी का सब कुछ मशीन संभाल लेता है अपने आप.
That's correct.
इंक्लूडिंग डॉग फाइट एंड ये वो.
पर वहां पे कंप्लीटली इंसान को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो. मेरे को कंप्लीटली ऐसी एक सिस्टम चाहिए जहां इंसान है ही, सब कुछ मशीन कर लेगा. ढूंढना, ये क्वेश्चन होगा कभी ना कभी मेरे पास एंड से, बट जस्ट आई वांट यू पीपल टू थिंक अबाउट इट, नॉट लाइक दैट. सो द प्रिंसिपल understanding for like this lecture is to build the expert system. Whatever that he told has been absolutely correct, but expert system, what it's required. If we want to build the expert system for healthcare, this is whatever the input you people are giving to the system. This is your thing. And if we draw bigger blocks right now, I'm creating expert system, and it will going to provide you the solution or the output. So this is the box that we need to understand. The rest of the thing has been okay for any such application, right? So this is very important thing, your export system. Which are the components we required to build this export system? Does your export system have any knowledge? Does we require knowledge? आवाज कट रही है बेटा.
ये प्रोजेक्ट लाइक आपका कंप्लीट हुआ? हेलो, आप बोल रहे थे वो.
The student had completed his PhD in October 2020.
बट इसमें लाइक बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो हम इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. लाइक वन ऑफ द थिंग इज रूरल एरियाज के अंदर क्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ रहा है. अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है तो एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम का क्या करो.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, उससे बड़ा क्वेश्चन तो इंटरनेट है या नहीं.
सर इंटरनेट को तो फिर भी हैंडल कर सकते हो एक टाइम पे.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हैंडल नहीं कर सकते तो जो मोबाइल टावर्स होंगे उसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैसे दोगे बेटा? मोबाइल टावर को भी तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए.
इंटरनेट का जितना भी चीज है, अगर आप एक दो दिन के लिए भी लाइक अहमदाबाद या फिर कोई भी अच्छे सिटी में रहते हो तो सबको डाउनलोड कर ही सकते हो. लाइक जो मोटा मोटी उधर उस एरियाज के जो लाइक 99% ऑफ डिसीजेस जो इन लोगों को हो रहे हैं, उनके सारे रिसोर्सेज आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. उतनी स्पीड तो आ जाती है. बट अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
not
नहीं है
require
तो
कि every time you can download it the things. Nowadays everything is on the web. First thing, if you had a real time issue, you can upload your things. जब सबको cardiac arrest है या उसको नहीं पता उसको cardiac arrest है, right? So if you want any preliminary service from your web, if your web is not provided, it will give you that you need to require to consult the doctor or expert about it, right? And if your system can build like that, you can also intervene there. You can call the doctor that can online give the help to the person. Because such type of disease, such type of accident, cardiac arrest are emergency situation. If we think about it, if we download it, and then also the people telling you need to find it out that medicine, the person die in 2 to 3 minutes or 10 minutes, 20 minutes. They are going to the hospital, the person is going to die. In such scenario, can we provide it? This thing has been hypothetically, yes, no, I cannot answer it. But we need to provide the service to it. That's our principal thing. देखो hurdles बहुत सारे हैं. Ideally, I cannot build such system with don't having any flaws. System definitely has the flaws. If I'm talking that if you're learning artificial intelligence as your subject, मेरे को फेस रिकग्निशन सिस्टम ऐसी बनानी हो जो 100% एक्यूरेसी दे. सपोज आपने बना ली, उसके बाद उसमें कोई रिसर्च करने की जगह बचेगी? हाँ या ना? इफ तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बेटा? मैं तुम्हारा नाम लिख सकूं एग्जाम्पल में. हेलो, मेरे को सिर्फ नाम लिखना है, मेरे को आपके नाम से दूसरा कुछ यूज नहीं करना. Am I audible?
हाँ, yes sir.
नाम क्या है?
Sir Dhruvan.
Okay, right. He's been Dhruvan, and he had created the system, expert system for face recognition, and is providing me 100% accuracy. Now, is there any scope to solve this problem?
No.
Think about it. If he's been absolutely correct, now we don't have any scope. If person can find it out, there is little bit scope too, because this has been solved problem now. And if you have already solved the problem, there is very less amount of scope to explore it. Whenever we are doing research or targeting any problem, at that moment of time, we find it out the flaws of the system. And we cannot say that if I can find it out 50 flaws, I want to solve all the 50 flaws. I try it out with 3 or 4 flaws and give the solution for it. But not necessarily everyone comes with that. Please try to understand that you people are seriously very curious to know about the real life problems, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, a lot many things. But from my point of view, just go and search for open problem in your field, where the people are creating solution like expert system. But these problems are seriously difficult. Still, many people simultaneously working on it and finding out the solution for it. बहुत difficult होता है. So why we need to create such system is very important. Now, if we creating the expert system, does your expert system creating knowledge from your data or extracting the knowledge? This is the question. Knowledge create करना पड़ेगा हमको system के लिए, because ideally if you want to create such system, face recognition or anything, definitely you're teaching or you're training your machines. After that machine has been able to capitalize on your testing input and find it out this has been the person of the rule, this has been the face of the rule or somebody else. We need to capitalize on it. Yes, no. So knowledge is important to create expert system. This is your add-on topics. Honestly, understand it. The people that written it down. Hypothetically, anything you were going to write it down in your expert system has been correct. Anything come up to your mind, please understand. If somebody is writing down in the examination that you are eliminating the human intervention, then also it's been correct. In some portion, you are completely eliminating it. If I am 4 module in my project and I am eliminating in 3, I can consider it as a correct answer. No issue about it. So please try to gather it out, all the information. In your advanced topic, they are given 5, 6, 7, 8 applications where we need to discuss it out every time. So I've taken one by one because in between, if we are teaching technical things for the sake of change, we are going to learn such type of applications where we can build it out the things. Okay, everyone knowing about smartwatch. ये तो पता होगा या देखा होगा या यूज करते होंगे. Yes, no. Have you ever
Yes,
seen this
sir.
thing? यूज क्यों करते हैं इसको? स्टेप्स गिनने के लिए मेरे को आंसर नहीं चाहिए कि हम सिर्फ स्टेप्स गिनते हैं. कितनी वॉच आती है मेरे को नहीं पता, बट दिस इज द very important thing if you want to build such type of medical application or health system. In healthcare system, such type of gadgets are very much important. Don't you think? Because it provide you the SpO2, heart rate. Nowadays ECG come with it. Then heart rate variability is coming. Resting heart rate is coming. And many more parameters are there which are included nowadays in such type of small machine. You can tell that your watch. Does this thing provide you the medical condition of the person? And if you want to provide the alert to that system that your heart rate is very high or your ECG is showing certain amount of abnormality, they can consult to the prescribed physician or expert. Because this all are your input that we had talked about this box. Right? This is your input. To the expert system. If this input is being taken by your doctors when you are visiting to the clinic or hospital, then okay, obviously based on his experience he will going to analyze this parameter. Whatever the knowledge is having, based on it is being provided you with a certain prescription for medicine or any other exercise or whatever you want to prescribe. Now the same thing I want to do, but I'm not telling you your smartwatch will give you that thing after 15 minutes or 20 minutes the heart attack is going to come or something else. ऐसा कुछ करने की सोचा नहीं कभी भी. ये अच्छी सिस्टम बना है ऐसा कुछ, because all the parameters you are gathering from your smartwatch, and nowadays the use of smartphone is smartwatch is increasing exponentially day by day. I think almost everyone is wearing. Yes, no? हाँ ना, तो मेरे पास इनपुट इतना सारा मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा? If you're concerned that your input is very low, nowadays people are using this thing. Am I audible or I'm making sense or not? This is your input or anything else is being your input? આ ઇનપુટ છે કે આ કંઈક બીજું છે?
Yes, sir.
आपने ये कंपनी सुनी है, इफ द स्मार्ट वॉच फिटबिट सुना है सर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is world largest, or you can say the leading manufacturer of smartwatch. If we talk about Apple, Samsung, Fossil, but this is the main basic inventor. Honestly, understand it. But there are certain issues, and this is very nice field if you someone want to do the research. You had heard about internets of things, right? You heard about IoT. This everyone has heard. Is a buzzword. But anyone had heard about IoT? This word is considered as medical. And if somebody seriously want to do some work in this or do the final year project, then please tell me. One of my PhD student is doing the project in this. And basically, the undergrad of the student has been biomedical engineering. So we basically know the each and every significance of all these parameters. And if anyone want to associate with him or her, then please contact me. Because obviously at the end of the day, she's also building the expert system. Though he has been biomedical engineer, he's using artificial intelligence conceptual thing for making such type of system. So this is basically multidisciplinary research. Because blindly you jump up with some project and you are telling you are using any algorithm and you are doing machine learning research has been not correct, honestly, from my point of view. तो ये मेरा इनपुट था. अब मेरे को उसको यहाँ पे देना है. So what my expert system will do? What exactly is going to input? What I seriously find it out from this input and I can tell that thing the person is having all the normal parameter or abnormal parameter or anything else. तो ऐसा मैं देखूंगा तो based on it I can tell this has been normal scenario is there or abnormality is there. If you want to consult it, it's mild scenario, it's been moderate scenario, it's been critical scenario. Because if you talk about that every time doctor also going to see your lab reports, based on your reports values, it's going to take certain amount of decision. And if you had seen the lab report or any blood report, at that moment of time they had prescribed the predefined range. Between this to this range, you are having this thing. This to this range, you are having this thing. If you talk about COVID report, RT-PCR report, basically RT-PCR report means greater than value of 37 means you don't have a COVID. 30 to 36 has been your virus load is very light. 23 to 30 moderate and below 23 has been high virus load. So these people are describing like this. Can you convert this thing in your knowledge? Sometimes you are having severe virus load. If your RT-PCR value has been 16, 17, then also person having no symptoms, no side effect. He's been completely all right. Still he's having severe virus load. So such type of system we need to mean now from the viewer input we need to extract the knowledge. In your knowledge, now you have extracted all the knowledge. What exactly the conditions, how you can interpret that condition. Now you need to make the decision. Once you extracted all the critical information from your input data, after that now you need to make the decision. What is the condition of the person? So for that purpose, what you are going to do? एक बार मैंने सारी information extract कर ली. If we talk about your machine learning standard setup is that your input is there, then you people are doing feature engineering, means you are extracting important information from it. After that, you are applying your machine learning artificial intelligence algorithm and you are providing the solution for it, right? So same way, here also whenever we are building the expert system, the same block diagram we are going to follow it. But the interpretation the people had just given has been very raw information. So just time interpreting is exactly as your machine learning standards, so you can correlate what exactly you people are doing and what exactly you people want from you. Got the point or not? Or you are just correlating this information with you or not? आपने आज तक ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है जहां पे आप ये सारी चीजें करते थे? Have you done any project or system where you can say that you are building the any expert system? Whatever the Drupal tool in initial part of the thing, that you are building the smart cameras right now, the camera will take the decision by itself. Smart camera means definitely you are extracting some information, whatever you are capturing the image. Based on that, you are extracting the information and you are providing the solution for it, means making the decision for it. Nowadays, traffic signal will send the memos to your home, if I'm not wrong. करते हैं ऐसा नहीं करते? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
but
मेरे
that's
घर
programmatic or human verifiable.
human verifiable. In which sense, Dhruval, you are telling human verifiable?
मतलब आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर सिटीज। अहमदाबाद में ये है कि अगर मतलब उनके लिए उनके पास कुछ पुलिस ऑफिसर्स हैं जिनको उन्होंने अलॉट करके रखा हुआ है, कुछ स्पेसिफिक
Correct.
टाइम पे अगर आप उन वो जो ज़ीब्रा क्रॉसिंग के पास चले मतलब उसको पार कर जाते हो तो ही वो मेमो आता है घर पे। और पहले
मेरा
उसमें
क्या हुआ था कि अभी सारी नंबर प्लेट्स आपने देखी होगी, वो सब नई है, राइट? मेरा बाइक है, मेरा इंजीनियरिंग का, जिस पे पुरानी नंबर प्लेट थी। पुरानी नंबर प्लेट सबको याद है? एकदम सिंपल होती थी, जो नंबर लिख के दे देते थे। अब ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, अभी स्टैंडर्डाइज जो है उसमें। तो बेसिकली मैंने एक क्रॉसिंग से गुजरा था, तो मेरे घर पे मेमो आया था कि मेरी नंबर प्लेट पुरानी है, दैट्स व्हाई दे पीपल हैड फाइन मी 500 रुपीस। But thought about it, if I want to install this thing or create such type of export system, what's the benefit of it? If you talk about Ahmedabad, because I'd done my everything from the Nirma University, so Ahmedabad I am knowing, right? It's been huge for me. And if I install this camera for each and every signal, how much massive manpower I require? Honestly, understand it. If we install the camera, if we want that all the camera should be monitored by the human, and then we will generate manually memo to the each and every person, can it is possible? So export system definitely going to reduce the human effort, human intervention. The rule is absolutely correct. Some person is going to verify that it's been correct. But you can completely cannot do that thing. The speed limits are there. If you want to exactly find it out every time person is standing with that camera gun and calculating your speed and based on it is going to give the memo has been very tedious task at this age, honestly. No issue. Next time we will continue with this topic and all the best for your examination. Easy है, अभी भी कह रहा हूँ, एग्जाम इजी होनी चाहिए, मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगता एग्जाम बहुत टफ होनी चाहिए। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट एंड थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.